Hey everybody, I have got a Amazon review. This was sent to me from a company on Amazon for an honest review, so that's what I'm going to give you. Now, I'm going to tell you now, I went and I looked at this company's store on Amazon, and oh my God, they have got so many cool things. Really, and this is my honest opinion, they have got some of the nicer stuff that I have seen from other companies, okay? And some really, really cute images and stuff. So, this is what they sent me. I didn't ask for this. I didn't pick this out, is what I'm saying. They sent this to me. So, the name of this store, and I'm going to leave the link to this item in my description box so that y'all can go check it out for yourself. But it's, I think it's pronounced Tontut. It's Tontut. Okay? And y'all, go check out their store. They have got so many sales going on right now for diamond paintings. They have got, like, this is a tabletop decoration, okay? They have got so many of these. They have got partials. They have got pendants. They've got coasters. They've got body bags. They've got candle holders. It's ridiculous what they got. And, y'all, they have got the cutest, what am I trying to say? They're, Lord, I've gone, I can't think of what it was I was going to say. Bundles, that's the word, bundles. They have got 10-pack bundles, and you can see what you're getting, and oh my God, they are so pretty. Some of them are just really, really pretty. There was one I seen, it was called the Moon, and they were so pretty. It was 10 diamond paintings in one bundle, and every one of them was so pretty. They all have the moon in the picture somewhere, and the colors were just so bright and beautiful. Loved it. Okay, and I'm going to tell y'all too, right now, they have got so many sales going on, and with just this one, now I didn't look at all of them, but with this one, y'all, this was like a regular $16 and something. They have it on sale right now for, I think it was $12.99. And then, okay, then they also have another 20% off of the $12.99. Y'all go check this company out. I'm telling you. They've got some really, really nice stuff. So let's go ahead and we're going to open this up now after all that. Me saying all that. I'm supposed to be doing a review on this, and I'm just like gaga over their store. But I'm telling y'all, they got some really cute stuff. Alright, so this is pretty big. Now, a lot of these tabletop decorations are a lot smaller. And I do mean a lot smaller. But this one is pretty big. And there is quite a bit on here to do. Now, yes, it's a gingerbread house. It's Christmas. Who cares? I'll do a Christmas one day before Easter. It don't matter to me. If I like it, I'm going to do it. So, these are acrylic. This is going to have a film over here on this back side. So, when you get done diamond painting this, you're going to peel this film off. Because they do that in order to keep it from scratching and shipping. So, yeah. So, you can see where because I really don't want to peel it off right now. But I'll do one corner anyway. See? So it's just plastic. Just acrylic. But once you get done, you just take and peel that off. And of course, this side is where you're going to diamond paint. So you're going to pull this plastic off. And you're going to place your drills on the sticky. And it is very sticky. You've got your base. And again, this has also got a film on both sides. You're going to want to peel that off. Because once you peel this off, it's going to be clear. When you finish this project, you're going to take it. Because you see this right here? It's going to sit right in there. Just like that. Whoops. And then you're going to set it on your desk. Or your counter. Or on your mantle of your fireplace. Wherever you want to set it, it's going to sit there. Alright, so it will come with the standard toolkit, which is your pink single placer pen, a green boat, and a single pink square of wax. All you need to do this, okay? It's going to come with all your crystals. So this is what we call a special shape off canvas project. So what you're going to do is you're going to look on your bag. I put them up the right way. So we've got 1 through 8. And then when you've got A, B, C, D, and E. Alright. So you're going to go, and if you wanted to do bag A, you're going to open this up. You're going to look on here, and you're going to find all these A's. And that's where you're going to put these. Same thing with 7. You're going to find bag 7. You're going to come over here. You're going to find number 7. And that's where you're going to put those crystals. So let's look at them real quick. I hope y'all can see it. I might ought to turn my light on a little bit. It's starting to get a little dark. Can y'all see these? Or did it look better without the light? So you've got some big white pearls. You've got yellow, green. You have got these, which are gorgeous. Can y'all see these? These right here. You got red. You've got these little pearls. And then you've got your crystals. We've got gold, silver, red. You've got like a brownish. You got green. You got like a really light green. And then you have clear. These are clear. You know what? Maybe I ought to turn that off. So, those are your colors. And then once you complete this, like I said, you're going to put it on here. And you can set it somewhere so everybody can see it. You can give this as a Christmas gift. That's an idea. So, yeah. So, y'all, go check out this company. They've got tons of stuff. And a lot of it is on sale right now. Really, really good, affordable prices. Okay? All right. So, I will leave a link to this in my description box. Y'all go check it out. Thanks for watching.